Welcome back, all my FWG fans. That's right, Fishing with Grant. Got a great video today. I took my dad fishing for Father's Day, and I love you, Dad. Please go check out my website. It's fishingwithgrant.com. It talks about our charters, our guide service, bank fishing, and I got David Craig right here. Take you to any of the local rivers, lakes, or ponds and catch big fish. He always brings in those monsters. Go to my Facebook, Fishing with Grant. I post a lot of stuff on there, and also I created this group. It's called FWG Rippin' Lips. Once you become a member, start posting stuff. I love to see what you guys are catching. Also, stop by my Instagram. It's Fishing with Grant, Ohio. Today, I love this St. Croix. I'm using this Victory pole, and I'm also using this Enigma HPT. This pole's very good as well. And of course, you know I love the Shimano reels. And I got to go with that Power Pro Moss Green. I love that braided line. I'll be using that Chartreuse Belly Crawl. And also I'll be using that Strike King Natural Shad Wake Bait. And you better believe I'm using that Mega Strike at all my lures. And also you got to protect your hands. And these monkey gloves are fantastic. You got to try them out. And thank you to all my sponsors. Appreciate you guys very much. And I hope you love this video. Hope you enjoy. When I'm fishing this lipless, I have to really put my pole really high in the air, and I have to crank super fast because the vegetation this time of year is starting to grow up very high in the water column. So with treble hooks, it constantly catches on.
Got one already.
So you got to really crank it fast and make sure you don't get any of that veg on there, and it pays off.
See how you ate that thing? I have to get the pliers out on that one. He inhaled that thing. Yeah, like, whoops, oh damn. Knocked your water bottle off. So if you look, oh wow, he's way down in there. That's why you got this needle nose. Get on out of there. There we go. He's a little guy. Yeah. Thin. It's post spawn, so oh yeah, he's a good one too. He was fighting like he was a big one. double hook. Little guy, I know where's your mom and daddy at? I just caught one on the wake bait. A big one. I don't want him jumping out of the water and knocking it out. Nice size. Huh, it just came out like that. It's hooked on me more than what.
Thank you to all the FWG fans out there. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing. And the reason I do this is because you keep watching. Until next time.